Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change language on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So here we have, as you can see, the official website of Wix. And here we have, as you can see, my sites where you can check out all of your sites. I have one here. You can see your setup, home, getting paid, payments, and everything. In the top right corner here also you have publish and a lot of things. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change language on Wix. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. First of all, log into your Wix account. So as I already told you in the start of the video. Then go to the dashboard or editor. So your dashboard is here and this is the main screen, which is your dashboard. As you can see, welcome to your dashboard. Then click on the settings or language region tab. So you just need to go and find the settings, which is in the bottom left corner. Click on settings and here you have language region, as you can see. Click on it and here you have site language, which you can click on and change to the language that you want. There are a lot of languages, so be sure that your language will probably be here also. Click that, save, and that's that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Until then, bye guys.